Hi, glad to have you stay tuned together with us. In this section, we would like to address those AIoT H+ from emerging market point of view. AI plus IoT and the digital transformation is a global trend where we could leverage Advantech resources from ConExpress server grade with nice thermal module design in edge system. Meantime, software is also an important value-added part, help us to leverage AI computing for various kind of solutions like maintenance prediction or application-level deep learning. In this part, we already have a medical partner in Russia taking Advantech solution in field to fight with pandemic. Also, such H+ been well utilized in retail interface in Moscow. High-speed embedded computing capability in small form factor enables some mission-critical AIoT solution in Israel. Not to mention big quantity of Advantech ESBC being deployed into Brazil's ventilators to save lives. Below, we would like to invite our Russia Sales Director Dmitry Bazukin to help us understand more about our H+. In region, including Kaspersky's solution with Advantech UTX Gateway.
The year 2020 has demonstrated how fragile existing flow of business is, how easily it can be disrupted, and how much damage this break may lead to. On the other hand, the year 2020 has demonstrated how people, extraordinary, passionate, and determined people, are capable of finding new paths, turning what seems to be a disadvantage into quite an astounding success stories. Needless to say, Advantech is a worldwide #1 industrial PC manufacturer and leading global embedded IoT company, ought to take on the challenge. Embedded, by Advantech's definition and approach, is exactly what now IoT is about. And a great deal of Advantech IoT products are a part of edge computing. One may call it an ecosystem, as it is, since each product, each solution, is a result of a joint effort and collaboration of renowned technological companies, be that CPU and chipset manufacturers or industrial solution designers. As a matter of fact, Advantech promotes IoT hardware and software solutions with the Edge Intelligence WISE-PaaS core to assist business partners and clients in connecting their industrial chains. Historically focusing on mature markets such as continental China, United States, and European Union, Advantech experienced surging growth of intercontinental developing regions revenue. Let's see some areas the growth came from. Those are automation, food and beverage, healthcare, information technology and security, power and utilities, transportation, telecommunications, and those are just a few to name. Let's take 2016 as a starting point and review the results of Russia and CIS region in the scope of past 5 years. We see that products and trends were driving the growth. By looking at this picture, it is clear the major embedded IoT products were embedded single-board computers and embedded box PCs with over 70% of total revenue. However, market demand has significantly changed the outlook and balance of the products in the stack we offer to our customers. More companies are shifting their focus and trying to utilize their own resources, local resources, for the design and development purposes. This trend was a kickstarter for computer and modules to snap the share of ready-to-use embedded PCs. We at Advantech have put our best effort not to follow in the wave, but to be on the crest of that wave. To do that, several initiatives were launched, and we are stepping forward to embrace the new reality together with our customers. We are stepping beyond a mere hardware supply model by inviting partners to create joint vertical products. And since Advantech focus was always on the cutting-edge technologies, high quality and robust solutions, we have developed quite some skills and expertise in this field. All these verticals applications make high demands to the core IT components and systems used. The variety of requirements based on solutions' form factors, performance level, available interfaces, longevity support, software and hardware compatibility, and regulations compliance make it a tough task to provide a comprehensive response. For example, from the wide range temperature requirement, thermal design, military grade, or even specific manufacturing processes, Advantech is ready to take the job. Modern reality of world's governments engaged in improving gross domestic product growth rate, capitalizing on intellectual property and advanced technology research, encouraging and sometimes enforcing localized design, development, manufacturing and maintenance of technologies and products inside the country. Computer and module is a solution that exponentially grows because it allows to maximize the add-on value for each designing project. That is a pinnacle of customization. The product will be just exactly what you expect it to be. Fully customized know-how, core IT heart of your solution. Moreover, if the solution requires military base for mission-critical application, meeting IPC A610G Class 3 is one of Advantech's strengths. Advanced manufacturing processes, 100 temperature screening before shipping of wide temperature SKUs. However, there are many challenges developers are facing in this field. Major ones are probably thermal design, EMA compliance, board signal integrity, specific BIOS settings, software compatibility, and adoption of target appliance proprietary interfaces. Advantech is your partner to overcome those challenges. Apart from the portfolio of 8x86 and RISC-based computer and modules with fresh Atom, Core AI, and ARM IMX8 and the compact Q7, ComExpress, RTX, and smart form factors and proper developer and application boards, Advantech is able to offer you service by providing BSP packages, validating the design of your carrier board, improving cooling system effectiveness. Basically, if your idea to save the time and not to develop a unique IT core for the solution, and you are not really limited by space, but require cost-effective models, you may as well take a commonly used form factor motherboard, AIMB. Adding thin cooler, for example, to AIMB 286 with rich I/O, slim and thin, this selection can fit in one U chassis and suitable for retail and self-service markets. Physical access is often not an only option. Advantech Device Zone is capable of massive remote management. Advantech Board Intelligence, an out-of-the-box embedded solution that allows you to keep an eye on your appliances, receive reports of abnormal activities, system status, and gain remote access to a desktop with no additional expenses. Choose the form factor depending on the performance, standard, add-on cards, expansion capability, power input type, and you are ready to go. Advantech will be able to support you with AMB motherboards ranging from MITX to more than 2 times smaller than MITX footprint UTX motherboard, supporting from fanless passive cooling 15 watt up to 80 watt performance CPUs with AC or DC power input options. To add, we'll make sure you will be able to acquire the board during next 15 years. We will also provide you with the service of adjusting the BOM features to your needs, fix the BOM, and keep revision control. You may find more details on Advantech Embedded Industrial AMB series motherboards at our website. On the other hand, in case you must balance on the brink of time and effectiveness due to compact size of your solution or special features and performance requirements, you may as well choose an embedded single board computer. For example, 3.5, 2.5-inch embedded single board computers are the most major ones because of the expandability and rugged, robust design fitting most heavy environment conditions. Advantech has adopted this efficient type approach and applied it to embedded single board computers. As a result, you may find Advantech expandable Neo and simpler PCM series board. That's a very popular form factor for embedded systems, especially for automation market. Industrial automation is now a major topic due to COVID outbreak, which accelerates the progress for smart manufacturing. It's as simple because Advantech has ready solutions for you. Reliable fast boot and secure boot options, machine vision solutions, and a robotic arm with rich and flexible I/O, CAN bus for CNC machines, rugged solutions with onboard memory, and only 2.5 each size for AGV, including automatic remote management by device on Advantech software solutions. You will be able to expand the system with interfaces you require by designing a special extension Motherboard, saving costs. Their options would help you to save space, keep performance you need with CPUs ranging from legacy low power to 6-core I solutions and RISC-based architecture CPUs. Nevertheless, all of the features I've recently mentioned, with a decent touch of machine-to-machine communications, robotics, machine vision and inspection, artificial intelligence and recognitions. It's not a secret that factories, plants, manufacturing centers are going intelligent, and human access becomes limited or even restricted as a rule. Machines and robots are strong, precise and reliable, and the core of those features is embedded system. What you are about to see during next few months after this video are but a few examples of a breakthrough thinking, planned proactive actions and anticipation. With this video, we initiate a campaign to highlight vertical markets that will be driving the business in 2021 based on our existing success cases. There are markets where the use of embedded system is not that obvious and is bound to a deep understanding of technology and human attitude and behavior. Take AMB U117 board, for example. It's a fanless, compact, more than twice smaller than Mini ITX quad-core Atom CPU board with flexible expansion options and interfaces including wireless connectivity. Because of that, the board widely used in automation, all-in-one, kiosks, robotic systems and such. The derivative from that AMB board is an appliance named UTX 3117, encased into a slim and simple design box. Let's start with a segment that experienced extra pressure over COVID outbreak. An increasing number of countries encouraging citizens to stay at home, learn, or work. As a consequence, technology has become even more important in both our working and personal lives. Despite this rise of technological need, it is noticeable that many organizations still do not provide a cyber-safe remote working environment. Cybercriminals are attacking the computers, networks, and systems of individual, businesses, and even global organizations at a time when cyber defense might be lowered due to the shift of focus to the health crisis.
There are many billions of devices that comprise the Internet of Things. They are run by a huge variety of software and communication technologies. A key feature of IoT is its ability to establish interaction between digital systems and real physical world. IoT combined with AI technologies can bring new opportunities to improve business processes and quality of people's life. At the same time, extreme variety and dissimilarity of technologies mean that there are many security risks in using the IoT. Our company has developed a new product to address customers' demand for IoT cyber protection, Kaspersky IoT Secure Gateway. An IoT gateway is a central and the crucial element of IoT infrastructure. Unfortunately, it is often the most vulnerable part when it comes to security threats. It processes all the traffic from devices to the cloud. It connects to external networks, and it has enough computing power to run a complex software. And all this makes the gateway a very attractive target for cyber attacks. An IoT gateway is a hardware appliance, so choosing the right platform for the product was very important for us. We have become partners with Advantech, a global leader in the field of intelligent systems and embedded platforms for the IoT edge. UTX 3117 is a powerful Intel-based hardware platform. We have been able to realize all our ideas and to create strong protection for the IoT infrastructure. Kaspersky IoT Secure Gateway is designed to build secure IoT systems. That's why it is run by Kaspersky OS. This operating system is the foundation for our cyber-immune approach. At the same time, Kaspersky IoT Secure Gateway can provide several security features for the IoT infrastructure, such as device detection and classification, reporting, IDS/IPS engine, firewall, and TLS encryption. In addition, we understand needs of users and help to integrate the gateway into their systems. That's why we support the MQTT broker on board, as well as the predefined integration with the most popular IoT cloud platforms, Microsoft Azure, AWS, and Yandex Cloud. In the next versions, we will add more security features, such as secure firmware update and integration with Kaspersky Security Center. Kaspersky IoT Secure Gateway can be used as a central element in many IoT verticals. For example, it protects energy management and smart building system in smart city. In industrial scenarios, it provides a secure connection to machines and industrial equipment. In smart agriculture, it can act as a key element protecting low-power wireless networks. We have several pilot projects with our customers in different countries. One of them is the regional government in the Russian city of Orenburg. Our secure gateway protects smart utilities and power management systems there. Another customer is the Russian railways. They use our gateway in the digital railway station project. We also work with video surveillance vendors. As you know, security camera is one of the most frequently attacked IoT devices. So using our secure gateway helps to protect CCTV networks and to prevent from exploring their vulnerabilities. In conclusion, I'd like to say that Advantech provides a powerful and robust hardware platform, which has allowed us to create comprehensive and advanced cybersecurity solution for the IoT market. Our cooperation with Advantech is bringing these game-changing technologies to customers in many countries all around the world.
My name is Jack. I'm responsible for the embedded sector in Latin America. In the previous section, we have talked about the automation in Russia, and thanks for the sharing from the Dimitri and Kaspersky. So in my section, I will talk about a little Advantech medical solution and case sharing in Brazil. So as we know, medical is one of the key sectors with a higher growth these years. And medical is also a sector where there's a lot of the certification, limitation, and requirements. So Advantech, as a leading technology company, we have the most complete ISO certification in both of our factory in Taiwan and China, and for the local certification, such as FDA in USA, is also approved. So product-wise, we offer different embedded solutions from the industrial motherboard, computer on module, single-board computers, RISC platform, and medical display. Medical applications such as ventilator, surgery machine request small footprint with very limited spaces. Single-board computer is commonly used and the best fit in these medical applications because it is a 2.5 and 3.5 inch small form factor, and we adopt the low power legacy Atom to high performance Intel 9th generation 60-core platform. So besides the comprehensive hardware platform, Advantech has the ADAM software. It's called DeviceSum. It is a remote management tool that allows easily to access Advantech platform without any physical touch. For all the embedded single board solution, Advantech commit to 15 years longevity support to extend product life cycle and reduce the redesign and recertification process. Okay, so let's take a look at the medical sector in Brazil. So when COVID-19 outbreaks these 2 years, a lot of people have heard a validator and call it as a life support machine. In COVID-19 cases, ventilators are often running for weeks, sometimes over a month. So this is a very critical application and require high operating standards in terms of the product quality and the product reliability. So Advantech in Brazil has the full operation office in São Paulo. So we took a quick action to co-design validators with the local system integrators to fulfill the urgent demand for the COVID-19. These validators are embedded by Advantech single-board computer, MIO computers, and all the integration was done locally in Brazil. With this close communication, Advantech and our partner were able to achieve 4,000 validators in only 3 months. The success definitely was empowered and driven by the local design-in capabilities. From 15 years ago, Advantech has gradually constructed and expanding our service network in emerging countries. Nowadays, our team is actively serving the local businesses in Russia, India, Turkey, Israel, Mexico, and Brazil. This global integrated and regional competence, this strategy will lead Advantech to next 10 years growth in AIoT era. Thank you for your listening today.